This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, performance tires, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.